Check. Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back to another coding not so everyday until I get a job. This is day 138, and today what I want to do is basically, update the Moneta project. I've been vibe coding for almost 2 weeks, and I've been trying to use it. It's basically like a money tracking, expense tracker type thing, and there are some updates that I want to do. So I made a terribly, not made really, I found a agile scrum type thing, um, the template in Notion, and kind of dump every bit. I'm probably not using it correctly, but doesn't matter. And yeah, so basically what I want to do is just fix, not really fix to be honest, more like add some features that I want to have, like clean up the stuff a little bit, but full on based on vibes only, because I don't really want to do yeah, I'm not supposed to like do too much today because I have work, but uh no, not work, like it's more like yeah, sorry, let's just get to it. So we have apps, and this is the server backend. So but what I want to do is mostly like front end stuff. For example, I want to make the table a little bit more responsive. Let's try to run the dev server or the dev command if I remember how to do it. I think it's in the modules packages, docker ignore biome. It's in the package JSON. So if we do pip dev turbo dev, it's gonna run all the other stuff. So I think we can do that. And I think, yeah, this use biome. And when we have the biome, to be honest, I forgot what do we have in the package.json. We have, okay, to be honest, I kind of forgot the biome. What's like the biome command? Package.json. Do we have a biome? Check. Oh, okay. Oh, which one is the biome command to check the that one? Turbo check types. Is the turbo already set up to biome? To be honest, I really forgot, but yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay, so basically I want to, there are some tables that is not working. Let me just show it to you. Let's run the app, and I'm using Z because I know if I run other IDEs it's not gonna work. Dev, there we go. So the server is running at port 3000, and the front end is host 3001. That is for this. The thing is, I don't remember if I have an account or not. Wait, let me check the env. Damn, it's Postgres. The thing is, I don't remember which account do I have for this. Let's just sign up then. Test at gmail.com. Test 1 2 3 4 5 6. Sign up. Does that work? Yes. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. The thing that I want to fix is this. So first, as you can see, the table inside of the slash income page is not really it's not really nice. It's not really responsive. So that's what we want to do. So first, the table inside of the expenses and income are not responsive. Please help me change them. So yeah. And since we're using Z, I don't feel like I have, okay. Hello, Alfie, welcome. Welcome. Hello. Today we're not studying, just vibing. Yeah, not much studying today. I'll continue it maybe on either Saturday or Sunday. I'll continue the CS50 because I remember we haven't finished. I still want to do some pointer practice because I understand. Okay, it's just an address, but like I don't have the intuition on like, oh, I should use a pointer during this certain case or when I want to do certain tasks. I don't have the intuition yet, but so yeah, we're gonna definitely continue that. So we can go here. It's in the web and its source. Professional component. We have authenticated. Yeah, that one. And then it's in the income. And the income we have the. I think it uses 10 stack table, something like that. Transaction form, income page. Okay. That's that. Update mutation. That's for updating something. Handling submit handle delete la 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 la. And for the table, we are using the table from ShatCN, right? Okay, so okay. Wait, let me check the GitHub. As always, don't forget to check the branch. Click git branch. Okay, git check out HP for so this quote unquote sprint or the things that okay for fixed table. There is this console log in prod that I don't really like, so I wanna but I forgot where is it. Not gonna lie. You know what? It's fine. This one probably you can do later. Add better errors message for one forgetting input in modal. I should okay, there we go. So okay, I remember this. And then we're gonna add pagination for income and expenses. So basically the table here is just gonna grow infinitely and I don't want that. So what I want to do is paginate the income as well as the expenses. Similar to the one that oh shit, I forgot to turn. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to turn it on. Similar to the one in the main dashboard. So let's do that. Yeah, and I'm sorry if there's no music. I forgot to turn it on. Do we have any branch? No. Redo migration and seeding. Yeah, okay. Did I public? Yeah, I public this by the way. Okay. So very simple. Okay, so what we're going to do is let's pick a model. Wait, yeah. This model inside of there is actually from GitHub Copilot. So I want to see how much usage I still have. I still have, okay, I still have a lot. So we're good, we're good. It's gonna reset on every. Okay, never mind then. Oh, okay. I want to test using, I don't know, which model should we task? GPT-5, Gemini. Let's do GPT-5 codex, shall we? To allow, okay. Let me create a branch. So the branch that we want to make is fixed at, okay, paginate table. Paginate, you're not sure paginate table. Let's just do that. Paginate table, yeah. And I think we should be already in the, yeah, that is good. We could just close this. So for this sprint branch, I'd like to add and refactor some components and logic. One, the table component in tsx and expense.tsx is currently not responsive. Did I set up MCP? Settings, AI, and I think I have some MCP set up, or no, I don't remember. Nope, no MCP. So let's just ask. Okay, let's just ask Claude Opus. Let's do Claude Opus. You know, it's probably gonna take like a lot of tokens, but it's okay. For the sprint branch, I'd like to add and refactor some components in logic. The table component income is currently not responsive. Doesn't have filter option. Let me check since it's using Shatsy and docs. Let's check the documentation. Let's do table, data table. Yeah, this one. So basically I want to add some filtering. Table component is currently not responsive and doesn't have filtering option. Add them filter option. Make them responsive and add some filtering. Let's see. Let's it was. Let's just do an example. Yeah. You know, let's play some music. Never. It's getting boring. It's just me yapping. Nobody want to hear me yap constantly. Let's do deep house chill. Server is running. This is running. Why is it not working? Okay, cool. Okay, so we want to have some pagination similar to the one inside of the slash dashboard. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna give you an example of expense. Let's just say I bought something today, and this is gonna keep on adding and adding and adding without even yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Filter based on dates, the category, and of course amount. Yeah. I can responsive add some filtering for dates, the category, and amount. The table component in income and expenses is currently not responsive and doesn't have filtering options. Make them responsive and add some filtering for dates, the category, and amount. 2. Same again for the table. Components in both income and expense. We need pagination for that. We need pagination for both table, similar to the table in what's the index? Yes, add let's do TSX. 3 for the categories. Make them into pill shape with different colored background for better UI UX. Let's do this first because I still basically this is what I want to do for add pagination, and I think the thing that I forgot to do is add expense. Let's just say we do like 40 euros by monitor. Education or something, but yeah. Is that okay? No? Okay. Should like to add and refactor components logic. The thing is, let me check. The data that is being fetched is in the API, so it's in the API.ts. No, it's offline. No, it's in the hooks. No, it's not. Routes. It's in the okay. Also, take a look at the Phono API. Let's do categories. Let's do route/categories. Let's do route/income. Let's do route/expense. And I think that should be all right. Oh, we have the starting balance, I remember. So we need to do that as well for the starting balance. Okay, let's see. Because this app is very, very like small. There's not that much file compared to other. I think it should be able to. Hello, hello. What's up? Oh shit. Sorry. Yeah. This is today. I'm just gonna vibe because I'm not feeling it. I know that's such a terrible motivation. But yeah, basically I vibe with this. It's for tracking expenses and income based on so I have a like an Google Sheets templates that I've been using for a couple of years, but I kind of want to vibe go with something and make the thing for myself that looks a little bit better, and just yeah, with the functionality, similar functionality with the Google Sheets template, but I can access it through the web basically. So that's that. Okay, and we're using Z again because Z really only takes 150 megabytes. So yeah, this is what we're trying to do today. I'd like to add refactor and some component and logic. The table component in an is currently not responsive and doesn't have a string option. Make it responsive and add some filtering for dates, category amount. If possible, create a shared table that could be altered depending on props and usage based on the income and expense. So for the front end, we're using Vite and React with, I'm trying out 10-stack router as like the routing library. And for the backend, it's using Hono.js. Yeah, as you can see here, the server is using Hono. So, okay, let's see. I think that's a pretty okay prompt. Pretty long, but I think Claude could definitely take much more. Same again for the component both negative. We need pagination for both tables, similar to the table in blah blah blah. Use them into pill shape with different colored background for better UI and UX. I chose the right, and what else? Yeah. Also take a look at the HONA APIs. Do we need something in here? No. Okay. Okay. Let's hope it's able to understand us. Okay, thinking. Looks pretty good. Let's zoom it out, zoom it in a little bit. I don't know if you guys could see me zooming in. No, it's not. Okay. Okay, it took 33k tokens for all of that. Okay, maybe we can just turn off the dev server if the Z agent needs some more RAM. Can close this as well. Can close this as well and this as well so that they can have more RAM. Okay, the streaming and everything is not as fast as Cursor, I would say, but still, this is amazing. Oh, nice! It created the shared component regarding the table. No, it's still not monetizable, to be honest. Wait, let me give you guys the view for this. But yeah, it's still not monetizable, my friend. But it's okay. I can wait. It's fine. I think last time I remember that I'm gonna make some videos, right? Like a long form videos. I'm in the middle of editing the videos, so I really hope that with that, based on my calculation, it would be around like 7 minutes, 7 minute videos, and I should probably get around 2,000 to 3,000 views in order to get the remaining watch hours. So if you could help with sharing and everything, that would be nice. But yeah, I still need like around 300 to 400 more watch hour. So yeah, with that 7 to 8 minute videos, around 3,000 to 4,000 views should be enough. Holy, okay, it's 50k tokens right now. Let's see, is it able to do it or not? Because it should be okay by now. Okay, I think the bad thing, it's rewriting the whole component from scratch. It doesn't, oh, okay. 50k tokens for that single prompt changing and every, oh, okay. The warning is still in classification, which is minor. Let me also check the other updated comments. All files are compiling without errors. Let me fix the minor warning with the transaction table. It's even able to oh wow, this is very nice. Okay, I'm definitely understand Which API? I'm using the one from GitHub Copilot. So since I'm a student, I got GitHub Copilot for free. And currently this is using the GitHub Copilot basically. And Zed allows us to use the GitHub Copilot if we connect the GitHub account. So that's very, very nice. Okay, those single prompt took 80. Oh my God. Okay, let's keep all. Let's see what does it made. The summary. A reusable pill shape. Okay, let's do a. I forgot what I said. Oh wow. Okay. Too successful. So does that mean I don't have any lint error? Okay, cool. Okay, let's try it again. There we go. And if this is good to go, we could just. There we go. This is nice. Cool, cool. Okay, this is exactly what I want. So let's do. Oh my God, this is nice. Okay. This yeah. Okay, it's not really. Okay, yeah, this is amazing. I love it. Okay. Same as this. Let's just say let's get on. Okay, for freelancing. View editing on like December 1st or something. And then we can add another one for like, let's just say 230s. We got it from investment. And then number 5. Bam. Okay, and then we can, let's just 5. Start date from 1. Okay, and then we can just do start date 5 and date 5. Oh wow, that is pretty nice. Okay, and then we can clear out. Yeah, that is exactly what I want. Thank you so much. That is actually amazing. Wow, okay. Video editing. Okay. That needs to be okay. That is crazy scary. It's able to one-shot it. Okay. Amazing. Holy. Okay, that is sick. It's just able to do it right away. It just works. Okay, one other thing is what else? Yeah, what else can we make? It's actually pretty good. Oh my God, put date first before amount. Okay, this is what I want to add as well. In like the add income or like expenses, I want to put the date first before that. Same with, okay, same with all the model. Okay, so I think let's open a new chat or I don't know. We can commit this first, I guess. Let's do that. Stage all. And I think let's do feed. Um, Visualizing filter table. And then we can commit. I think we can just push it first. Yeah, and then merge it first. And if there's no issue, we can continue with the next put date first, this one. Better type checking, all error fixed, turn off console log upload, update copy, and add more projects, add search functionality. Yeah, I have a lot of things that I should have done to my project, basically. Let's go to moneta. Should have some, yeah, let's do that. Let's ask Copilot to review, Copilot to write, because I mean you gotta use and utilize every credit that we have. Cool, cool. Spur request introduce new category batch component, for example, feature the same category labels, improve the appearance of attention type batch and refactors. Okay, wait, I need to check one more thing. Which I forgot to do is it a bit responsive now? Okay, it is. Okay, that is wonderful. I don't want it to be super responsive because I'm going to be using desktop anyways, but this looks incredible. That looks nice. Okay. Okay, cool. So the next part is yep, correct, pretty much correct. Script pull request. Let's wait until the Copilot finish review. We can edit some of that and then we should be good to go with the next part, which is totally let me check. Yeah, I switch account to get more after about a week. The app was top notch. What? Which one? When you try to like create an app by coding, is it? By using Flutter framework and Firebase. I see. Yep. I've tried to use like Flutter once to try to migrate an application. I am so confused. I'm so beat. I really don't understand what's wrong with that. I already tried using Cursor. I tried using anti-gravity. I tried using Grok. I tried all the AI to like help me and guide me on how to manage this. It's like an old Flutter file, like Flutter project. But oh my god, it took me like 2 weeks to understand the code base, and it still didn't work. I have to install Android Studio. I have to install Java. I need to install Maven. I still to configure the Java and Maven. It's just keep not working. The Android SDK is not working. I was totally defeated by using or trying to learn about Flutter with that. Probably because the file and the app itself was quite old, and all the other tools that I installed was quite new and a lot of version mismatched. But man, Flutter was definitely super challenging, and yeah, I couldn't really finish it. I ended up rewriting the whole app into like a web app with React. But that is insane, by the way. That was so crazy. Let's see how much that took. Okay, here we go. It's created twice. Once for start date comparison, but it's mutated in a place using set hours. This can cause if the same. Okay, let's feed this. Yeah, which library PC? I'm currently using a Lenovo Legion, the 2020 version with Ryzen 5 and GTX 1650. It's quite old. It's almost it's 5 years now, and it's doing okay, I would say. I did open it and cleaned and changed the thermal paste. My friend did it, not me, but yeah. Okay, so transaction table doesn't handle empty or undefined category names. If name is empty string, the random solution. That's actually a good idea. Okay. Okay, transaction table, transaction table. This is a lot. Okay. Labels in the folder dependent on proposition with their form controls. The elements do not have general partial links to them, which negatively impacts accessibility for screen. Okay, this one is fine because I'm not gonna be. I'm making it for myself. This is for correct on all systems, all fonts, some user. That's usually fine. It has 16. Okay, this is crazy stuff. Okay, the description filter looks properly, but white place it for the description. There is no visible screen reader. Okay, it's fine. If the indicator uses assumption mark to show the user, make it clear to the user. Zero page count compared to the transaction table. Okay, let's do the starting balance first. Starting balance list. Start balance list. And it is in the 336. Well, that didn't work. Oh, that worked. Yeah, I've tried playing Minecraft before. The amount value as a conversion to number is like for transaction amount containing valid numeric values, which will cause the compressor operator solution to false, potentially hiding valid transaction. Consider adding validation to ensure the values are valid numbers. Got it. Well, again, you were not true. I think as you told before, so whatever you're trying to apply. Yeah, I've been trying to apply the full stack or front end or even UI UX roles. I'm continuously studying and just keep on learning. Transaction table 155. Okay, so we need to add if min amount. Okay, we can just delete this and hello, Football India. I am 23. Thank you for joining and keep growing. Thank you. I will. Category square. Static integration. You are absolutely right. Ha ha ha. Sorry. Just that freaking. My typing speed? Okay. Let's do some monkey type. I think it's like do you want to do English or do you want to do programming? Not good on the accuracy. Damn, the accuracy, bro. It's been a while. Yeah, no, my accuracy suck. Hi, hello, Ronaldo. Welcome. I just been okay. If you look I think it was like a year ago, like the last 12. Let's do 2025. I almost do it almost every day, although not every single day, but in the last 12 months, okay, maybe in the last few months, no, but like previously during 2025, I was constantly doing this and just yeah. Well, I did get a part-time job, but that doesn't count because the one I'm looking is dev job, right? So I'm still gonna do this until I get a dev job. Okay, that should be all. Let's do another PNPM lint. Oops. Oops. PNPM check. Yes. Oh God. Okay. How come it's able to be built then if we have all of this error? God damn. Okay. Don't use this. I can ignore that. Okay, how do I fix it? Something is better than nothing. Yeah, true. But I'm still gonna keep doing this until I get a dev job. Man, not gonna lie, I think just first of all, we gotta pray a lot every single day. Pray, you know. And I think the other one is keep working, keep trying, keep learning because our competition is not the same as us, the junior anymore, right? Our competition is some of the senior that got laid off and still not hired due to fucking COVID or all the other layoffs. So I guess the only thing that we can do right now is just keep on learning, be patient, use whatever it is, whatever tools, whatever method it is to have the best unfair advantage, even though it's probably gonna be very, very rough and tough. It's just like me right now. Like, I'm doing this because I am frustrated and need an outlet to just create, make stuff. Really? How? How come? How come I could be more desirable in India? What difference does it make? Yeah, I know, I understand. I didn't get into singletonship due to spider aerial efforts. Touch type. I don't know how to do it. I just started last week. I guess just spam. Yeah, man. For Ronaldo, I guess just keep doing it. I guess the thing is, I realized that I am not gonna be able to get a job soon because I did an interview and I failed it horribly, miserably. I'm ashamed at myself, and it was just a terrible experience. And right now, what I'm gonna do is just keep on learning, keep on learning, keep on learning, almost every single day. Although today we're not that much learning, but almost. And then yeah, keep on building experience, keep on building projects because there's nothing else we can do. We don't have the experience, or like we can't have experience if we don't get it's one of those like circular thing. Even okay, based on my experience and research, even though I don't have much, is the salary I'm looking for isn't even that high, especially compared to maybe like US or North America in general. I mean, like a lot of tech jobs in EU, even in Germany, isn't as high paid as in USA as well, right? And for me, I think that's fair, and I don't mind. Even the range I'm looking for is for junior role is like in the range of 30,000 euros to 35, because that's just like the lowest and as junior as you can get. And for me, as of right now, that would be sufficient for now, as much because of the experience. Yeah, but for the touch typing, just spam monkey type. That's what I've been doing for the whole year, and right now I'm getting the hang of it. Although, as you can see from previous tests, not the best. I don't have the best accuracy, but yeah, just need to practice. I guess as you can see, it's 60, around 60 to 70. So even my average is also just average. I'm not as crazy as like the people that regularly hit 90 to 100. Thank you. Good luck to you too. I am from Indonesia. Okay, that's pretty nice. But yeah, I don't. The thing is, w- would it be easy for me to move there? Because first of all, I don't know the language, or I didn't speak the language, right? I think that would be another language barrier that I need to learn and do for that. If that's like what is necessary for that. So that one is going to be quite difficult. Exactly, exactly. Like even here is the same, right? You have to beat hundreds, if not thousands of candidate. Okay, let's keep all. Let's do another biome check. A lot of the things I skip because I think it's totally okay to. Okay, so for example, the UI sidebar, it's from the Shatsian itself. The Ustos is also from the Shatsian. So, Ustos. Several of these imports are in use, really. So we can go to Ustos. Which import? This is not usable. Really? Will that still work? Oh, that's actually still working, is it? Oh, wait, let me restart and update Z first. This one is the one generated by the Tanstack router, so I don't really want to touch any of that. I'm still not quite sure the breadcrumb thing. The HTML element with the interactive role link is not focusable. Is it some accessibility thing? And for this one, I tried to fix it. It doesn't work. You have to bid one lah. Okay, okay. That's okay. Update to release. Okay, we can see the release note later. This is from the sidebar. I can ignore that. I can ignore that. They use toast. Seriously? We can just remove this state. Is there a specific reason why? Chart dangerous. Yeah, this is dangerous, but it's okay. This one I cannot fix for some reason. That should be all right. All the other errors is from the Shatsian, so I think we can just ignore them. Okay, cool, nice. Okay, so I think that should be all right. So we can do stage all for add label to table. Can commit. The thing is, we cannot really see the. Oh, what is this? Oh, close left. Okay, we can just push, and I think we should be getting another. Yeah, it's running the check. Let's view the logs here and see if it's still working. Wait, yeah, let me. It was on the other browser. Wait, yeah, because I was. Um, so that should be okay, I think. Okay, that should be good to go. Merge. Yeah. There we go. Okay, it's updated. Nice. Nice. Okay, this is much nicer. And we have some pagination. Yeah, this is exactly what I want. Nice. Thank you. Okay, cool. Let's see if I don't think we change anything in the backend. We just changed a lot of stuff in the front end, so we don't really need that. Okay, but this looks awesome and nice. Okay, so I think that should be all regarding Moneta. This is the dashboard so far. Cool. Nice. Okay, now we don't need to change the server. It just needs some time to load. Okay, we need to add some web icon, but yeah, I guess that's it. Okay, cool. Moneta, nice. You guys can check it out if you guys want, by the way, so go ahead. Check them out. And I guess that should be all for today. Let's open the terminal first and terminal. Yeah, git branch. Nice. Git branch slash d short paginate table. Nice, and we are up and running to the latest one. Yeah, okay, cool. We can close this off, and be good to go. Okay, I guess that's it for today. It's very short, very because yeah, this is basically just all the things that I want to do right now. Because I think um, what else? What else can we do? Yeah. What's your journey? How are you here? Okay, I think in the meantime, what I can do is 1 second. Yeah, let me. My journey is that 1 second. Let me let me do one more thing that I need to do. Since you asked the question, I think how would I start it? I'm an exchange student, previously from Indonesia, so my uni program have basically where you could uh, study abroad in Germany for the first for like 2 semester, a year at first, but then I failed some of the exam, so I need to extend, and so from there I just stayed here for quite a while finishing my bachelor, while finishing my study, and I end up. So my original study was from age 0. Oh my god, damn. Okay, let me check. Yeah, enable security insights, enable from age 0. So my mother uh met my dad. To be honest, I'm not entirely sure how they met, but holy, we have I almost 1,000 visitors to the site. Oh, okay, wait, yeah. Um, I was born in Indonesia in a hospital, uh, and yeah, in the city of Bogor. If you were very curious, it's called Rain City, like the Rain City of Bogor, because it's really often rain and it's like never predictable. That's why it's called the Rain City, and the rain has always been there's always either a strong wind, a strong current of like a strong volume of rain, or a thunder. So yeah, that's that. I don't really remember what happened between age 1 and 5, but I went to school. Um, wait, yeah, let me check one more thing. But yeah, basically, I went to school. I don't really remember what happened. I think I remember the school having like a big playground, and there's always sand there, so that's cool. I wanted to add some of our latest project basically, but I don't know where is the stuff. So I think I'm gonna ask my team and see what I can do and add it there. But yeah, that's that. I guess we can just try to fix this and add this later. No. Yeah, pretty much. There we go. So we need to add project data here. Okay. You know what? It's fine. We can just close it. We can close this as well. I can probably fix this tomorrow or any other time because I need to ask for the files. Um, so for Axios Space, could you access this domain, 68.studio? Like, could you help me a little bit and see if you can access this domain? Because my friend in Indonesia said not every device can access this site. So if you'd be so kind to check and see if it works on your internet. Um, oh my God, we're at 776, almost 777, 67. Oh my God, and 7 people are watching? That is so cool. Like, could you guys help to check into the 68.studio domain and see if it works? Because my friend in Indonesia said it doesn't work. So it would really be helpful to figure out if other region also experience the same thing. I can't understand what the content doesn't matter. I just need your help to see if it works or not. Because I hosted it on Cloudflare Pages, which supposedly hosted global, right? On the edge, they say, so it should be distributed. The domain is from Cloudflare. It's gonna be automatically cached and all the other stuff. So I'm just curious on why is it not working in Indonesia? And that's why I'm confused. It worked, okay. And you're in India, I believe. So India worked, Germany worked. I don't know why Indonesia doesn't work. Hmm. Wow. Okay, that is cool. Okay, wait, yeah. The Google search console. Let me change the account first. Because we got a notification that says like 5 people go to your site, so that is pretty cool. See, okay. Oh, 6 people, nice. Okay. one page is not indexed, the other page is indexed, and I don't have the thing is I don't have any paid VPN that could access like the Asia or Indonesian server. That's why. Do you have any like suggestion where I could test it? Any like free VPN where I could test it? Nice, nice. Okay, we got 6 total clicks. Wow, that is actually not that bad. Okay, let's see the core web vitals. Let's try, even though it's probably not enough data, but it's okay. A lot of the performance issue is probably because of the 3D model. The 3D model, for some reason, cannot use a smaller size of the like the 3D the smaller format. I don't know how or why it couldn't. I tried it and it's just error with like the lower resolution one, but it's able to work right now. So already okay. Well, performance. You can use Tor and just refresh Tor many times. It just changed. Oh, really? Okay, okay. I'll try that. I'll try that later. Okay, let's see. Yes, this is nice. This is not nice. The LCP one. Ah, okay. This one is a terrible button. I know. There we go. See, the performance is terrible. The accessibility best practice in SEO are 100. I did like 2 or 3 streams to practically like fix everything. The only thing I couldn't fix is the performance. And it's because the 3D model. Yeah, I might need to, yeah, this one. Consider. It's definitely the 3D model render. I know, I know. See this 300 kilobyte, I know, it's just very, very hard to do. Let's try the desktop. Okay, the desktop is much better. Although, yeah, the TBT, what is TBT? Total blocking time is very, very large because of the 3D model. There has to be a way where I can, or I should optimize them. Pages. Let's see what pages are indexed. A few issue. How come it's not working? Reaching 5 clicks in 28 days. That's something, right? Sites performance. Should I start making like blogs inside of the site so that they have okay. Oh, that is actually such a good thing. Let me try to do that. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna need to ask the team. Store desktop. 4 is slow, but untrackable and free. Oh, interesting. Okay. Let's see if it reached Bing already. Okay, it still hasn't reached Bing. But this video reached Bing. So that's cool. The Instagram and TikTok reached Bing. Even my stream reached Bing. So that's nice. Does the AI able to tell us? Oh my god, okay, it's official. That is sick. Okay, that is nice. This is not true. This is not true. So we need to be able to make the AI. How can we add the like our stuff with Google, yeah? Because if we check Google.com, it's probably cached. Okay, see? Okay. Oh, the bucket list is it's working. Probably add some sort of. It's okay, no worries. Let's see the AI mode. Let's see if it reached Google. Project has been short film. Yeah, okay, nice. There's other identity in our project. That is different, so we don't want that. But it's able to link it to the. Okay, that is good. That is nice. You guys could please watch the please watch the film and subscribe to them. Hello. Okay, this is not true. This one is true. So we need to be able to make it so that the Namlapan is the main stuff. Okay, this TikTok one is very nice. This is a behind the scene that we have. Definitely gonna need to post more there. Hello, Krishna, welcome. Okay, so I have no idea why the page itself won't be allowed to be indexed. Oh, it is? Oh, okay, never mind. Pages. Oh, it's already indexed. Okay. What's cooking? I don't know. You tell me. I'm just trying to check the SEO for this site. I think the only thing that I'm gonna need to add is making like blog. So there has to be like a way where I could just write blogs and just put it the site. So yeah. Okay. How can we add like okay, I'm gonna ask who should we ask? Let's ask let's try to ask Claude. Hey Claude, how you doing, mate? Are you doing some open source project? I mean, not. I think I should, but I don't have it any for now. Uh, me or you guys? Yeah, it's fine. I do not want to use any framework. You tell me, okay. If you want to review, Git friend. Okay, sure. We can check it out. What is it about? Oh. Whoa, this is nice. Let me start it. This looks pretty cool. It's a cutting edge tool. No. To enhance the user experience of every developer. Alright, chat. This is really cool. Can we check the site or the app? Oh, okay. Difference with the complexity of the system. How to revert last commit. How should we? Okay, GitHub repo generator. GitHub emoji. Okay, emoji. Ooh, how do you do this animation? That's really cool. How do you do this subtle animation? That is very cool. I like it. Not maintaining it though. Typical, you know. I understand it. I understand it. Totally understandable. What was it about to do again? Yeah, this one. Next. JSON. Create two simple component. Cards such as the empty convert. Oh, build stuff for SMS. Okay, I'm gonna read this through, so I'm gonna need to go here, and to do is see how the project is. I'm gonna find studio here. Static markdown files for yeah. This is Have you guys ever tried to do this before? Like creating static blog using just React? Probably on YouTube you found a bunch of videos of this. It actually helps generate readme in just few clicks. 100% research. Wow, that is insane. And you can, that is very nice. Like, I mean, like, does it connects to your GitHub or? Cool. Okay. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. For Krishna and XC Spaced, thank you so much for watching. And for anybody that is currently watching me yap and type code a lot. Oh my god, this guy is making game? That's crazy. Oh yeah, it's Christmas, so Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Oh my god, we're on 7-7, guys. Thank you so much. We're on 7-7 with 217. I'm gonna need to screenshot this. So yeah, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to anyone celebrating. I hope everyone have a great day, night, festive. Whoa, okay, what does it use as the backend, if I may ask? Like, which AI do you use to? Oh my god, we're on 777. That is cool. Awesome. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna end it because we gotta wake up tomorrow. So I'll see you guys some other time. I hope everyone have a blessed and amazing day. See you when I see you. Bye bye. I'll tell the story some other time. Okay. I'll see you guys some other time. Bye bye.